I want to officially invite you to the Win Big Biz book launch party that will be held September 25th, 2025 at 6 p.m. sharp for those of you who want to join in VIP and 7 p.m. sharp for those of you who just want to come for the free service. We are wilding out. We are giving away so much information. We want to prove that winning big bids is easier than working a 9-to-5 job. One of the hardest things I've ever had to do in my life is work a 9-to-5 job. And I know that there are several of you out there who dread waking up and going to work every single day. And the goal here is to get as many testimonials as possible. And that's where you benefit. You benefit from this opportunity because we want to teach you how to win big bids within 45 days or less. And with that, we are launching this Win Big Bids party. I know it sounds too good to be true, but pause, wait, just listen. Long story short, my goal ultimately is to bring as many people as possible to the threshold of winning big government and corporate contracts. Now, I know you're asking, Alison, why would you ever do this? I would do this ultimately because I want to prove to the world that there are more resources out there to support your business than not. There's no other place that you can go in the world where opportunities are just apparent. They're posted there for you to take advantage of. Now, the ultimate goal of this is going to be to teach you how to grow and scale your business. We have done the work. We have done the homework. You can look me up. You can look and see, the work that we've done in times past. This is legit. This is the real deal. And with that, this is Alison Etinoff, and I want you to win and win big.